Okay, so good evening, and then I am someone Amakese from Ghana, and then this is a brief presentation of the Webstack portfolio project that we are required to develop for our ALX final project. So basically, this is a clone of the Open Table website. That is kind of a website that helps people to book reservations and restaurants as in for a group or for individual person. So I'll be building this clone and then um yeah, that will be my project for my final project for this Webstack portfolio project. So without wasting my time, I would like to kick off with the presentation and start. So we will start with the name of the project. So the name of the project is the Open Table Clone project. Okay, and then I'm the only person working on this project. So we are not a team. I'm the only one working on it. And then followed by the project description. So like I said, this project is a clone of the Open Table, a restaurant booking website. It allows users to search for restaurants, view details, and make reservations. Restaurant owners can manage reservation and seating arrangement. Okay, so it's like a reservation site whereby people can go there to book reservations for restaurants based on their needs. So it can be they can book for 4 tables or 8 tables or 2 tables. Okay, and then for this learning objectives, first of all, by the end of this project, I'll be able to enhance my front-end development skills. That is, this will enable me to build responsive UIs and then interfaces that will match or that will be responsive for all screens, whether tablets, um, PC screens or small mobile screens, as well as the backend. So at the end of this project, too, I'll gain some more knowledge in the backend as well. For the backend, since I'll be using SJS, I'll be using SJS server as my backend, and then for the Postgres, sorry, for the database, I'll be using Postgres. And then I won't use Postgres directly, but then I'll be using an ORM, that's Object Relational Mapper, to communicate with my database. And then the ORM I'll be using is the Prisma ORM. Now coming to the authentication to it, this will help me improve my authentication skills. That is implementing user authentication and authorization. This will help users to create accounts, log in and then sign out. And then for this project we'll be dealing with RESTful APIs, that is sending API requests from clients to server and then the server responding with data to the client. So this will enable the users to create reservations, search for reservations, and then manage. And in database management, this will also help you to learn how to come up with a database design for a system. So at the end of this project, you will be able to learn this stuff. Now, coming to technology architecture, I'll be making use of Next.js server for the backend, and then Express for the web package framework, and the Next.js for the front end. I'll be using a Prisma ORM as well as Tailwind CSS for designing and then Git for version control. Now, okay. Now, moving on to the challenges that are for re-identify. The first challenge is data modeling, that is coming up with a suitable database design, managing the relationship between tables and then between two or more tables. So this is kind of this is a kind of challenge that I'm facing right now. Okay, and then when it comes to performance optimization, this will be an issue because uh how do you call it? Since the system hasn't been online yet, I may not know how it will perform when users start to use it. And then user authentication authorization, implementing a secure user registration login and ensuring that users can only access their own data. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so this is the last part. So sorry, this is the overall overview of my project. That is the open table clone. I was building this site whereby people can go and then reserve tables and then book for reservations for their foods and stuff. So thank you very much.